The technology is complicated, but the goal is simple. We do it for you. So it's only fitting that our product lineup is as diverse as our consumers. Here's Adam to tell us more.
Hey guys, I'm extremely excited to share a truly unique collection of products for those of you who want something a little out of the ordinary. It's a lineup to enliven, uplift, and embolden your lifestyle. Let's start with the frame. When turned on, you can enjoy amazing picture quality. Turn it off and the frame transforms into a work of art. This year, the frame will debut a makeover that includes a slimmer screen that makes pictures look even more like real art. You can customize it to suit your taste and living space. First, there are more frame and stand options as well as a bezel you can decorate. And through Samsung's Art Store, the frame gives you access to a variety of artworks from leading galleries around the world like the Tate and Prado Museum. From classics to contemporary, bring your favorite pieces home. This is the frame's invitation to you to turn any space in your home into your own personal art gallery. No wonder it's a bestseller. Next is the Premiere. We introduced it last year to bring a full cinema experience into your home. It's an HDR 10 Plus enabled, ultra short throw 4K triple laser projector. Basically, it's phenomenal. It has distinct red, green, and blue light sources that make scenes appear more vibrant and even more colorful. The 4.2 channel, 40 watt, all-in-one sound is powerful enough to fill your entire space. This all comes in a compact body that only needs to sit just a few inches from the wall. That's about how much space you need. Even in small spaces, you can still project 130 inches of cinema. Maybe that's why both Frame and the Premiere are winners of the 2021 CES Innovation Awards. One gives you the experience of the world's art galleries. The other gives you the experience of an entire movie theater. Both within the privacy and safety of your own home. Last year, we introduced the Terrace because we noticed how much people love spending time outdoors. They love to exercise, share a meal with friends, or nowadays, even just sitting on the patio for a bit of fresh air. But what if there's a show you want to binge, or a movie you want to watch, or a game you can't miss, yet you still want to be outside? No problem. The Terrace has you covered. With uncompromised QLED picture quality and increased durability to battle nature's elements, rain, hot or cold temperatures, and even dust, the Terrace will stand strong, bringing everything you enjoy indoors, outdoors. Now, the next one, the Sero, happens to be one of my personal favorites. I spend a lot of time on my phone, from streaming movies to social media, and that's why I love the Sero. By becoming an extension of my phone, it maximizes my mobile media experience and adapts to both horizontal and vertical content. When I turn my phone, the screen rotates automatically to fit the content. On top of this, it delivers a full 4.1 channel, 60 watt sound experience, which is great for when I'm watching a movie or when my favorite DJ goes live. It's all the mobile content I love made bigger and better on the Sero. Last, the Serif. Both TV and furniture, both functional and beautiful. With its distinctive form, it can be placed anywhere with or without a stand. Created in collaboration with the French designers Ronan and Erwin Burlek, it will fit beautifully into any decor while offering brilliant QLED picture. The Serif will continue to attract design and tech enthusiasts alike. These products will complement any space, no matter the size or style of your home, giving you the freedom to expand your world.